Okay, let's have a look at some of Wealthy Affiliates' success stories. Actually, coincidentally, there's one right on the front page as soon as I've logged in here. This member, AF Training, what's his name? He's made it to Vegas, which means he's got 300 sales of Wealthy Affiliate, and he's qualified for a free trip to Vegas, paid for by Wealthy Affiliate, which is an affiliate conference. There you go. He's going to Vegas. Wow. Alright, so how did he do it? He created a website in the bootcamp niche, which is here. And he blogged, basically. He created blog posts, helpful blog posts that help people out, teaching people how to make money online. And simply because of doing that, creating content on his website, he has driven enough traffic into Wealthy Affiliate, and he's had at least 300 premium sign-ups in the year. So let's have a quick read. He's been away for the weekend. Needless to say, working was the furthest thing on my mind over the weekend. I was too busy having a blast. But you know what? The sales kept coming in, and that's the beauty of blogging, building a website, making money online. The sales keep coming on even when you're not working, while you're sleeping, while you're on holiday. Okay. Okay. It takes a ton of work to get to this point. I agree. You've got to create plenty of content on your website. You're not going to start making big money. 300 sales of Wealthy Affiliate, by the way, is approximately $5,000 a month. Okay, every month. In fact, if we click on here and we go to, hang on, where is it? I can't find it now. Okay, program details. This is what is possible. Alright, let's say you get one premium referral per day and they sign up and they stay an average of 4 months each. Alright, so you would need to get to reach $5,000 a month two premium sign-ups every day, and obviously the more you get, the more you're going to make monthly. So I mean, not everybody will go premium, so maybe you're getting 20 referrals a day and only 10% of those are going premium, and let's say they stay on average of 5 months, or let's say 6 months. You can see the total there. Let's say 2 months or 3 months. Okay, this is the affiliate commissions you can earn. 12% people go premium, $100 plus per premium sign up. Okay, let's have a look for some more success stories. Alright. Alright, I know that Grace has also made it to, she's also going to Vegas. Alright, let's have a look at this post from the other day. Alright. Okay, she got there, and that was dated August 24th, about a month ago. So she's going to Vegas in, I think it's January next year. She'll be meeting with Kyle and Carson and Jay and the other super affiliates who have made it to Vegas. And how has she done this? She's created lots of content. There you go, 518 blog posts on her website. Nearly 1 million words there. Average 1,639 words per post. 300 sales went down like this. January she only had 7. February she had 16. You can see how things mount up. They grow monthly. So new sales coming in every month, building up, and she's made her 300. And last month she got 81 premiums there in July. August has been slow. I remember August was a slow month. But yeah, that is Grace, and she also promotes Wealthy Affiliate. And she's also smashed through the $5,000 per month mark. Okay, let's have a look for some more success stories. There's lots of them. Here's Nathaniel. Nathaniel usually goes to Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, let's click on a random one. Okay. So this $2,000 in one day. Just like you premium members, I went through the same training here at Wealthy Affiliate. Yes, affiliate marketing is not a quick money scheme, which is true. It takes time. As long as you take actions, be patient, and most importantly, stop thinking, you can also accomplish your goals. Okay, just one more success story there. And there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds if you dig deep inside Wealthy Affiliate. And there is no reason why anybody cannot be successful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.